Start with prepping the asparagus, then add 1/3 cup butter to your pot and melt, and then add 2 pounds of cut up asparagus. Cook the asparagus until softened, and then we'll add 1/2 of a large onion cut up and cook for about 15 minutes. Then add 1 whole garlic chopped up, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon pepper. Mix it all up and cook for a couple minutes. Then add 2 cups chicken broth. Then cook until you bring it to a boil. Let this sit without heat for a couple minutes and then add to a blender. Blend it. Pour back in pot. Then add 2 cups heavy cream. Mix. Add lid back on and cook medium heat about another 10 to 15 minutes. And now time to serve and enjoy.